do get a bit clunky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same songs, I'd probably have been irritable at night too.
We're waiting every night to finally roll an invite newcomers to play with us. For many years we've been all alone. We're forced to be still and play the same songs we've known since that day. And it buster took our life away. Now we're stuck here to decay. It's not a pity, it all of us away. We're not what you're thinking. We're pulling ourselves to go into control. And we force you to take control. We'll be all alone, stuck in our little selves since 1987. Join us here when what you'll be stuck in is it. After all, we only got 5 minutes and 20. This is what you wanna be, I just don't get it. When you want to stay 5 minutes and 20. This is what you wanna be, I just don't get it. When you want to stay 5 minutes and 20.
There was the fight of 87. Hello? Hello? Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night. Most people don't last this long. I mean, you know, they usually move on to other things by now. I'm not implying that they died. That's not what I meant. Things start getting real tonight.